What is data? In computing, data is information that has been translated into a form that is efficient for movement or processing. Data is information converted into binary digital form. In early days, data's importance in business computing became apparent by the popularity of the terms data processing and electronic data processing, what is now known as information technology. Let's explore different types of data. Number 1, Big Data. The term big data is used in the data definition to describe the data that is in the petabyte range or higher. Big data is also described as 4 V's: volume, velocity, variety, and veracity. And there are many benefits of big data as well, such as reduced costs, enhanced efficiency, enhanced sales, and many. Number 2, Structured, Unstructured, and Semi-structured. Structured data is clearly defined and searchable types of data, while unstructured data is usually stored in its native format. Structured data exists in predefined formats, while unstructured data is in a variety of formats. Number 3, Timestamped data. A timestamp is a sequence of encoded information identifying when a certain event occurred, usually giving date and time of day, sometimes accurate to a small fraction of a second. Number 4, Machine data. Machine-generated data is information automatically generated by a computer process, application, or other mechanism without human intervention. Number 5, Spatiotemporal data. Spatiotemporal data describes both location and time for the same event, and it can show us how phenomena in a physical location change over time. Number 6, Open data. Open data is data that is freely available to anyone, in terms of its use, and rights to republish without restrictions from copyright, patents or other mechanisms of control. Number 7, Dark data. Dark data is digital information that is not being used and lies dormant in some form. For example, in a store there are security cameras which captures everything that happens in the store, but the stores don't use that. That is dark data. Number 8, Real-time data. Real-time data is information that is delivered immediately after collection. There will no delay in the timeliness of the information. For example, real-time data is used for navigation or tracking. Such data is usually processed using real-time computing. Number 9, Genomics data. Genomic data refers to the genome and DNA data of an organism. They are used in bioinformatics for collecting, storing, and processing the genomes of living things. Genomic data generally require a large amount of storage and purpose-built software to analyze. Number 10, Operational data. Operational data is the data that is produced by organizations' day-to-day operations. Number 11, High-dimensional data. High-dimensional data is characterized by multiple dimensions. There can be thousands, millions of dimensions. For example, in facial recognition technologies, due to the massively complex number of contours on a human face, we need new expressions of data that are multifaceted enough to be able to handle computations that are capable of describing all the nuances and individualities that exist across our facial physiognomies. Number 12, Unverified outdated data. This is data that has been collected, but nobody has any idea whether it's relevant, accurate or even of the right type. We can suggest that in business terms, if you're trusting data that you haven't verified, then you shouldn't be trusting any decisions that are made on its basis. Remember one thing, no data is better than outdated data. Number 13, Translytical data. Translytical data is defined as a unified and integrated data platform that supports multi-workloads such as transactional, operational, and analytical simultaneously in real time. How data is stored. Computers represent data, including video, images, sounds and text, as binary values using patterns of just two numbers, 1 and 0. A bit is the smallest unit of data, and represents just a single value. A byte is 8 binary digits long. Storage in memory is measured in megabytes and gigabytes. The relatively new term brontobyte, for example, is data storage that is equal to 10 to the 27th power of bytes. Greater specialization developed as database management system, and then relational database technology arose to organize information. Thanks for watching.